to the Cooking General. Hey, man, I got a good one for y'all today, man. I'm finna go back to Spanish dish. I had to make a Spanish dish today, man, but it's gonna be a good, not really a dish. It's gonna be a dip. They having a little party down there. My homeboy made that, so y'all already know. But I'm gonna take him a dip down there. He told me just bring some chips and dip. So I want to put something together, kind of original for this here. So this is gonna be one that I just, it's gonna be fun. You know what I'm saying? I love to go there because we gonna be partying. We gonna be drinking. Let's get started with this dip, man. Hola, ladies, senor and senoritas. Let's do this. Ask somebody. Alrighty, let's welcome back to the Cooking General. Let's get this going because I'm ready to get partying. Okay, I got about a little over a pound, just a little over a pound of ground beef. And since he told me to make a small batch, ain't gonna be too many people there anyway, but I gotta get there because we some youngsters there. Okay, we're gonna have a Mexican style. I got a Mexican style rotel. This got jalapeno peppers in it and spices, so that'd be good. I got refried beans. I had these cabinets. Hope these things ain't out of date, but anyway, I had these two in the cabinet for a long time, so I might well use them up. You're gonna need a stick of butter. I got some sour cream here. Now, for my seasonings, I got my cayenne pepper, my chili powder, my black pepper, and my garlic salt. Now, I also got a jalapeno pepper, and I got this pepper right here. Let's call it celadisa. Celadisa. Now, we're gonna put that in there to give it a little color. Now, we're also gonna use some thick Mexican style cheese, and I gotta take a bag of chips, so we got these scoops Fritos. That'd be real good to go with. All right, let's put this together. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to Cooking General. So the first thing I'm gonna do before I do my beans, I'm gonna go ahead and brown my ground beef. Now, you wanna add you some chili powder. And like I told you, I can't tell you how much to add, you know, I don't even know I'm a damn self. I just know what I can look at it and tell. You'll get that one of these days. Then, I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper, because they love the spice, so I'm gonna add a little cayenne pepper in, I'm gonna boost it up a little bit. Okay, right there. Then I'm gonna add me a little garlic salt. I don't wanna add too much salt. Just enough to cover it, right there. Then I'm gonna put me a little black pepper. Right there. Now, I'm gonna add my jalapenos. Alrighty. Then I'm gonna add my sardines. There we go. And then we're gonna mix this up, get it brown, and come back, I'll tell you what to do next. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back. You see I got my ground meat, it's brown and it's ready to go. Now, I put me about a quart stick of butter in here. I added my 2 cans of refried beans and my tomatoes. I even left the liquid in there. I'm finna stir this around, and once I get it real mixed, then I'm gonna add my cheese to it. Come back, I'll show you how it looks. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. That's the consistency I wanted it right here. And then I added a little cheese. I'm gonna add some more cheese. All of it, really. I put half of it in a while ago when I was stirring it. Now, I'm gonna also add in my ground beef. Now let's get that stirred up and come back and I'm gonna show you how it finally looks. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see, I'm finished. Man, you talking about a good dip. Cheesy dip. Got that on there. Yeah. Now I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Finna take it down there. And we finna party. Man, I gotta go out there, man. They talking about doing the Thrill Loca Camoca. And I know they talking about, oh, you do Loca Camoca. But I'm finna go, I gotta go practice right quick. Man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. See y'all next time. Cooking General. Ask somebody, let me go practice Loca Camoca. I can't do it. Shit.